Hey, what's up guys? I'm Justin from CBI and Prinsu. Today we're going to show you how to install our Universal Top Rack on a Leer camper shell. All right guys, so we got our top rack here. We went ahead and laid everything out. I got my hardware here. Just make sure that you have all your pieces, your side rails, your bracketry, and then we're going to start prepping the hardware right now. So we're just going to get washers on the bolts and a little dab of Loctite. All right, so we have our crossbar hardware. These are the carriage bolts, washers, and nylock nuts that are going to be installed for our stiffener brackets. These are going to slide into your factory rail system on your camper shell with these bolts and these washers to mount the top rack to your vehicle. All right, now that we got everything prepped, let's start assembling our mounting brackets. So these are adjustable, so you kind of want to maybe start in the middle and determine if you're going to need to go up or not, or get a good measurement and find out, how high that you want yours. This one, we're just going to go right in the middle here. So we're going to get our carriage bolts, washers, and nylock nuts, and we're going to bolt these together. All right, so we have these assembled. You can see that I haven't tightened anything up yet, but this is kind of the orientation you're looking for. This is going to be the mounting foot that goes into your track system on your camper shell, and then this part here is going to get locked into your crossbar. So we're going to go ahead and snug these up. Just make sure that you kind of keep these aligned as you tighten it. If you do have a contour that you're trying to match on your shell, go ahead and snug these up, but get it to where you can still kind of move them if you need to, and then tighten them down on the truck. You can get to these on the vehicle. It's just going to be a little difficult. So if you do your tightening down here, it's going to save you a lot of time. All right, so we got all of our mounting brackets assembled and tightened down. Now we're going to mount them to the crossbars and get everything assembled here on the ground. So you want to get an idea of the track measurements on your camper shell. So like our track doesn't go all the way to the back, so I'm going to come in one crossbar and put our mounting feet on here, and the same in the front. So we'll have a mounting foot on the front side, and we'll have a mounting foot on the back side. And we'll do this at all four corners. This is our stiffener brackets, so we're going to go ahead and put these on. This is kind of up to you where you're going to put it based on kind of the load that this rack is going to carry. If you have a lot of weight towards the back, maybe you want these a little bit more centralized at that location, but we're just going to kind of put these kind of midway in on all four corners, and it's just going to install the same as these brackets where you slide in a couple carriage bolts, use your nuts and washers, and secure those in. All right, so we got everything bolted in, ready to go for the top rack down here on the ground. I'm just doing some final prep on the hardware that's gonna go in the vehicle's track system. I snugged up one bolt on these mounting feet, but I gave it a rough measurement to fit our rails, but I'll dial it in once we get up there. And like I said, I just snugged one up so that they don't slide around, but we'll ultimately tighten everything down on the vehicle. So let's go up top. All right, so we're up top. We got our rails here. I brought up our hardware that we're gonna slide into the channels here. We just need to take an Allen to remove this cap to be able to slide these in. Once we get these in, then we'll pop the rack on top, line them up, start threading bolts in. Okay guys, that sums up our install. Really nice and simple, just a couple bolt together items. Thanks for watching. Always subscribe and like to see more videos like this.